everybody! Thanks for coming back. In this mini vlog, you have a sequence for 2896 and we want to find the sixth term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 7. This 7 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 4, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 7. And the second term is 4 times 7, which equals 28. And the third term is 28 times 7, which equals 196. And the fourth term is 196 times 7, which equals 1372. And the fifth term equals 1372 times 7, which equals 9604. And the sixth term is 9604 times 7, which equals 67,228. And the seventh term is 67,228 times 7, which equals 470,596. And for our problem, we want to get the sixth term, which equals 67,228. And this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 4 and the common ratio r is equal to 7 and the required term n is equal to 6. Substituting a, r and n into the equation, we find that a6 equals 4 times 7 to the power 6 minus 1, which equals 4 times 7 to the power 5, which equals 67,228. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for updates.